Oh, the lighting here is so weird. Okay. So today I want to talk to you about why homeschool science and math is best learned through unit studies. Yes, unit studies. Woohoo! All right. So, three things I want to talk about. So, number one, you want to start with your science topic of interest from your child's top most interesting science that they want to learn. It could be astronauts, it could be snails, it could be rocks and minerals, whatever it is. Number two, from that topic, you will draw the mathematics. And there are math facts all over the place for whatever science topic you could be studying with your child. Notice I say you could be studying with your child because adults love learning too, right? So you pull your math from your science, do a little research, find out math facts. You can create like math word problems or math stories. They don't have to be word problems because sometimes they can be intimidating for kids. From experience, I know that. Okay, and number three, then you can pull your other subjects like English, literature, creative writing, art, music. So much that you can pull from the seedbed of mathematics and science, starting with your core science topic. Okay, so those are the 3 points there. Go ahead and grab my free unit study in the comments or the description. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And really excited to see new subscribers joining me. And little story about this. So how did I even come to fall in love with unit studies? It's been quite a journey. And it started off with being inspired by getting out into nature and looking for nature's most common numbers and patterns. The golden ratio and Fibonacci numbers, which you'll see an invitation to watch one of those videos at the end of this if you want to learn more about those numbers. But these are numbers and patterns that are found repeatedly throughout the natural world and plant life, rocks and minerals. It's really awesome. And it just floored me. And I didn't learn about these connections until I was in my 20s. Never learned it in grade school or college. And from there, I became inspired to figure out a way to engage my students more in the classroom than just the usual traditional lecture style. Yeah. So what I did was I visited other private schools, other private progressive schools, and see what they were doing. My first stop was Montessori schools, and I was really inspired by how they lay out their experiential learning activities. Like one station is for blocks for mathematics learning. Another station will be like threading yarn through a card and making math connections that way. And another station could be something related to literature. So I began to adopt these learning stations, and I started going to rummage sales and collecting all kinds of materials, resources for my students, mostly math and science related. And then I would lay out different stations in my classroom, and the kids just loved it. Like I would give them a journal template and have them fill in different little things about the things that they were learning. But a lot of it became play. Like children's natural language of learning is play. So they would end up playing together. And yes, the noise level rose, but there was a real joy and passion for learning. And it was so authentic and real. Real life learning is noisy. It can be noisy, especially with children. So go ahead, scroll down, get my unit study. I give you a free sample on marine fish, showing you, and a lot of kids love marine fish. They're so beautiful, they're so gorgeous and mesmerizing, and they have beautiful math patterns, and you can learn about physics, of how they move through the water, and study the history of oceanography, and write creative stories. So I give you a free unit study, and you could go off on that for weeks just on that one unit study. And then you have a blank template so that you and your child can come up with what they're passionate about, maybe another topic other than marine fish. So scroll down and grab that. Thank you so much for watching. So in summary, Start off with your science topic that your child is most interested. Pull from it your math facts and derive from it also your other subjects such as literature, creative writing, music, art, etc. You can cover all your core subjects, and if you're tired of your other curriculum, you can just drop those and use unit studies. All right, have fun with that. Go ahead, give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching my channel. Gloria Brooks here with Nature Glows eScience. Bye-bye.